Hilton Waikoloa Village. Hilton Waikoloa Village is set on 62 acres of tropical Hawaiian paradise. Situated on the beautiful Kohala coast, this family-friendly oceanfront resort offers culture, poolside relaxation, and the chance to meet marine life. Hilton Waikoloa Village offers studio apartment-sized rooms with Kohala spa bath products, quartz countertops, and double sinks. Relax in a cozy bathrobe and slippers or grab a complimentary beach bag for a relaxing day on the sand. The resort features more than 1,200 guest rooms and suites, many of which feature private verandas offering ocean, garden, or mountain views. Rooms are spread across 3 towers: Lagoon, Palace, and Ocean Tower. While staying at Hilton Waikoloa Village, don't miss the Legends of Hawai'i luau, rated one of the best luau's in Hawaii. Available Sundays, Tuesdays, and Fridays from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., explore the Legends of Hawaii, including a Hawaiian feast and dancing. Additional amenities include 3 outdoor pools, a water slide, and a kiddie pool, as well as a saltwater lagoon where you can swim, snorkel, and paddle in a 4-acre lagoon. Visit the Kohala Spa, which uses natural elements to help you relax. Hilton Waikoloa Village offers 6 restaurants and bars, including the Legends of Hawai'i luau. Be sure to dine at Kamwela Provision Company, where you can enjoy seafood and steaks while watching the sunset. Enjoy a 3-course chef's dinner on the oceanfront lanai or order a la carte in the indoor dining room. The Lagoon Grill is located next to Dolphin Lagoon and is a great place to grab a quick dinner of burgers or sandwiches.